For the next tool, you want to make sure that you are zoomed in pretty close to this leaf here. And I'm going to select the final lasso tool, and that is the magnetic lasso. So this is kind of similar to the polygonal lasso where it's kind of connect the dot, but it's a little more complicated. So you click on a corner to start, and you want to carefully trace and occasionally click to anchor down points. So this one likes to cling on to pixels and try to make a guess at what you're trying to select, as you can see here. It's not perfect, but I messed up, so I can just hit the delete key on my keyboard and step back and kind of keep my mouse where I want it to be. So I'm just kind of going around anchoring down points as I go so it knows where it is supposed to select. So I'm working my way around. And occasionally, if it gets a little too crazy, like if it goes all over the place, just if you want to start over, just double click in one spot. It'll activate that selection and hit Control D to deselect. The stem here is a little tricky, so you kind of have to click a lot here. This one takes a minute. This works best on images that have an edge that has a lot of contrast. So this image here, you have a lot of contrast between the leaf and its background. It doesn't work very well if you're using images that have like the same value and texture and color as its background. Okay, and I'm going to close it up so I see the circle, and I click and it activates my selection, and you're just going to change the hue and saturation. So I'm going to again go to Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation, and then change the color of your leaf. So I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to again save my work, Control S, and I'm going to move on to the next one.